Well, guys, your girl finally made it to Midgar. Yuffie. My name is Yuffie, Materia Hunter and Elite Special Forces operative for the new Wutai government. I have orders to infiltrate Shinra headquarters and steal their ultimate materia. To prove to our common enemy that Wutai is not to be trifled with. Members of Avalanche! Your full support! We got this! So, members of Avalanche? Where are you? Come get me already! Okay, if I was a man in a Moogle hat... Wait, does this mean what I think it does? Interesting. So, I gotta come to you, do I? You got some nerve. Guess you're never far from a rat in Midgar. Let's see what you got. Got you now! This calls for a smite! Get lost! You're going down! Thank you! Gotcha! Piece of cake. Got no time for small fry. Gotcha! Get lost! Well, that was easy. And my search for the elusive Moogle continues. Gotcha! Make way for the amazing Yuffie! You're going down! No way! Gotcha! You need to chill! You're gonna pay! How you like this? You're going down! Okay. No biggie. At least put up a fight. Oh, come on! Felt that one, did ya? Time to kick some butt! Dun 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 dun! Gotcha! Ta! Huh? No palm. Huh? You okay? Anybody home? Oh, well, guess I'm not going anywhere until I get that elevator moving. Gotcha! I never cease to amaze myself. Sheesh, this town's a total dump. I thought Midgar was supposed to be the marvel of the modern world. Talk about false advertising. City of Mako? City of garbage, more like. Something. Oh, you'll do the trick. Come on down. Thank you? weird. Okay, you got this! Huh, okay. Rotten egg smell's gone. Must have gotten used to it. Way things are going, I'll be working for Shinra next. Nice try, Midgar. I'm talking to myself. City's getting to me. Gotcha!
Wait, did you just come from any monster troubles, or...?
Monsters have been acting strange since...
Not gonna be good for any of us if Wutai's got their claws in this.
Mako Reactor 5 has been temporarily shut down, and all fires have been successfully extinguished. The situation is under control, and the people of our fair city need not worry about any additional complications. We are in the process of conducting a full forensic investigation, but we suspect the device used was similar to that employed in the attack on Mako Reactor 1.
Oh, what do we have here? Man, that's gotta be Avalanche. Not bad. Not bad at all. But I can do better.
Yuffie? Yo.
What? There's our palm. So, you're Avalanche?
I'm Jija. Follow me.
Wait up! So, Jija, why didn't you come meet me before?
I figured an elite W agent could find their own way.
I may be elite, but it's not like I've ever been to Midgar. What exactly is a W, anyway?
Anyone who lives where you just came from, think of it as a code name.
Uh-huh.
Still can't believe they sent a kid to do this job.
This kid could kick your ass!
Saying you're a fresh face is all.
Oh, don't worry. I know exactly what you're saying.
Give me a break, will ya?
And let you walk all over me?
Well, here we are. Ladies first.
From the news, they didn't get caught. They'll turn up.
And when they do, we're gonna treat them to a feast. I can almost taste your pizza now, Jesse.
Shame, since you won't be getting any.
What?